Oh, little bluebird, why do you flee? Did I frighten you? Oh, on your wings. Did I hurt your frail heart? What can I say now? Why should I say now? Come on, baby, in my arms and calm down. And you screamed and cried, head inundated with ghosts and memories. Oh, little bluebird, oh, little bluebird. It is so hard and painful to see